Be, come here. Be. Be. Okto. Limalka. I will return. Return.
Or maybe we take it. Huh?
No. Be, come. Let's sleep. Excuse me.
Five.
For you.
Look, no, we'll solve the
Bayan
problem.
you ignore my flower.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you.
No.
Leave me alone.
Very quick
Oh.
after.
Leave me alone.
What you doing there? Not
Take it.
you. Maybe you're hungry, but
Leave me alone. About the stability.
stability. Pag na-break mo yan, you will pay stability. Bit far.
Recording now. Waffle, yeah. Our new home, eh?
Yes.
Very nice, eh?
Adobo, Rizzy, adobo. Very nice this one.
I had this one, yeah.
Really?
Very fake.
Why you have to show my imperfection? There, no, change the other one. I'm beautiful. Can I see? Ah, not as good. This one, oh. Ah. This is snake, baby. Snake.
Pizza.
I will eat you. Ah.
The Philippines.
Alright.
Maxim, come to the Ocean Park.
Ocean Park. Ocean Park. What is that? There is like that in ocean. Yeah, you have history with that, right? It bite you.
That place.
I have surprise for you.
Gorilla.
Huh?
And then you put back.
You are from Indonesia. I feel bored na here. Puro mga kitchen things.
This is the best place.
Could you bring me in a... Puro naman. Pag yung asawa mo, chef, puro... Sus, yan na naman siya.
For the night.
Let's buy naman another thing. Puro na lang ganito. Cooking. Always. Sus, ayan na naman.
This is what I have there also.
There in the...
15 euro, eh?
Puro naman to pagluto-luto sa bahay. Hindi talaga ako fan ng mga luto, mga gamit sa bahay. Ha? Let's go to the clothes, guys, no? Here, puro mga luto-luto, mga kutsara, mga tinidor. Diyos ko. Basta mga connected to your cooking, even expensive, you can buy yan, no? Hindi ka nagkukuripot. Well,
You cannot find.
you see the plants, octo, and you don't want to buy the octo. Oh my God. Gago. Wala naman ako mabudol sa'yo dito kay puro mga gamit. Diyos ko. Sus, yan.
This here you put all your socks and these things you need.
Let's go out now from this. Wala man akong
I
mataypan
hope we
dito.
find the upper matter.
I saw you. I told you on the app. Thailand. Sawadika. Sawadika. Sawadika.
Very big, I think. Yeah, but
It's very big, like
Masado.
Philippines
Huh?
style. Filipino, like that. We have. Punay yung may stomach. Ano, bebe? Where is these things? I want to try. To make wedding.
together. No, sí se te.
Crazy, bebe. Ah, cactus. Oh, very sweet naman na, bebe. Thank you. Why plastic na? Before it's fresh, you saving. Ay. Hindi kami makapagtanim. May buy na lang fake. Oh, Diyos ko yung asawa ko. Oh, puro mga decoration. Diyos ko.
Expensive things.
Very expensive. He's buying the plastic. Nut. Coconut. Eh, lubi man latong. Lubi. Look. In Philippines, only in the backyard you can find this lubi.
€8. To remove my bad luck.
Gago, I met you. You already have bad luck. You transferring to me. Sasabi na naman ako pinagdadala na sa warehouse na tayo. We are in we are in Bacolod. How do you call this one? When we going to Bacolod?
So nice idea that they can sleep two persons in one so beautiful small little.
Landers. We are in Landers now.
One is another.
Come, baby, we are in the food area now. Come with the food area. Tumigil ka, bebe. Finish na the Christmas. Dexy, you are the only crazy who will buy this. The KXC.
This is 27 day one.
Ano, you are not over with Christmas.
It's not with Christmas, baby. Waikiki.
Wake